So now that we have a basic understanding of containers and Kubernetes, let's talk about Google Kubernetes Engine, or GKE. GKE is a Google-hosted managed Kubernetes service in the cloud. The GKE environment consists of multiple machines, specifically compute engine instances, grouped together to form a cluster. You can create a Kubernetes cluster with Kubernetes Engine, but how is GKE different from Kubernetes? From the user's perspective, it's a lot simpler. GKE manages all the control plane components for us. It still exposes an IP address to which we send all of our Kubernetes API requests, but GKE is responsible for provisioning and managing all the control plane infrastructure behind it. It also eliminates the need for a separate control plane. Node configuration and management depends on the type of GKE mode you use. With the autopilot mode, which is recommended, GKE manages the underlying infrastructure such as node configuration, auto-scaling, auto-upgrades, baseline security configurations, and baseline networking configuration. With the standard mode, you manage the underlying infrastructure, including configuring the individual nodes. Let's examine the benefits and functionality of Autopilot in more detail. Autopilot is optimized for production. Autopilot helps produce a strong security posture, and Autopilot also promotes operational efficiency. The GKE standard mode has the same functionality as Autopilot, but you're responsible for the configuration, management, and optimization of the cluster. Unless you require the specific level of configuration control offered by GKE standard, it's recommended that you use Autopilot mode. You can create a Kubernetes cluster with Kubernetes Engine by using the Google Cloud Console or the gcloud command that's provided by the Cloud Software Development Kit. GKE clusters can be customized, and they support different machine types, number of nodes, and network settings. Kubernetes provides the mechanisms through which you interact with your cluster. Kubernetes commands and resources are used to deploy and manage applications, perform administration tasks, set policies, and monitor the health of deployed workloads. Running a GKE cluster comes with the benefit of advanced cluster management features that Google Cloud provides. These include Google Cloud's load balancing for compute engine instances, node pools to designate subsets of nodes within a cluster for additional flexibility, automatic scaling of your cluster's node instance count, automatic upgrades for your cluster's node software, node auto-repair to maintain node health and availability, and logging and monitoring with Google Cloud Observability for visibility into your cluster. To start up Kubernetes on a cluster in GKE, all you do is run this command: gcloud container clusters create K1.